Yesterday was a consolidation day. It was a contraction day. From the contraction comes expansion. So today we expanded to the downside on SPY and we did the same on QQQs. A few things to note here. You have to watch US dollar, the yields, bonds, VIX. You have to track the market using them. Today the US dollar really ramped up. VIX really ramped up. So when we know these key concepts, we can handle the market much better. We can avoid going long when there is no long. We can short the market and we can make money shorting the market. So big red day on the market. Our pre-market planning on SPY was market is under MTF cloud. So market is 1 hour is already bearish on the market. If VIX pushes over 15, watch out. No longs, you should short it under the yesterday lows. Only long if VIX stays under 15. That's more for SPY. But VIX never really gave us a reason to long the market. Now the Nasdaq was heavy right out of the gate. So we were short Nasdaq. We were not short SPY. Nasdaq was heavy because Nvidia, one of the biggest stocks in the world, big part of the Nasdaq, that was taking it down. SPY, which was initially strong, failed on this resistance and it gave a short later on the MTF rejections. But when this was happening, the Max 7s were still weak. So the concepts we used today were the morning flushes and there was this 10 AM bounce and then rejection of the yesterday's lows. So that means support becomes a resistance and then you re-short it. Buy the puts, you short Nasdaq futures, whatever you want to do. When we look for a defined level of risk, it's easier for us to take a trade. Even when the Nasdaq futures popped up to the yesterday lows, we know that's a resistance, we can take the short there. And Ripster cloud system is the best system that you can use to trade. And you know it's a short, our bias is a short. Even if this is popped, you cover here and you short all day, hold your shorts all day long. So as soon as the market opened, we were bearish there. I did tweet it out as well that bearish start as Nasdaq breaks under yesterday lows. So at that point, we know that we are bearish. We're going to try to make profit of that bearish market. So we short it. You short QQQ or you can do leverage ETF. Go long on SQQQ. Put your stops as break even. So stop somewhere here over the 512. And as we flushed into 10 AM, we covered our shorts into 10 AM. Then rest stops we put at 575.50. So right here on the top, 575.50 or this 512 clouds. Never pushed over that. When we got rejected right here, I told the traders that we held 512. So hold your shorts. They're still heavy. 570, I gave the next target and we hit our 570 there. QQQ stayed bearish and we hit our MTF target from the top fade, almost $5 per share profit. You traded QQQ longs, you got nicer profit there. 575 puts went from $1 to $5, 400, 500% gain. But you need to be patient. You need to hold those puts because you're risking 100%, but you're trying to make 300, 400, 500%. Of course, you can trade the Nasdaq futures short, you can trade the SQQQ long, and the SPY joined later. You could short the SPY as well. As soon as the VIX bounced, it pushed over 15 right at 1040, 1050. That was your short on the SPY as well, and then you hold it all day long. And the other way was to short the Magnificent 7. They were bearish. Netflix short right off the gate. Meta all day fade short. Microsoft all day fade, 10 AM bounce short. Amazon little choppy but still a short. You see that you could short anything. You can buy puts on anything, short the shares on any of those because you know that market is heavy. VIX is bouncing. It's a selling day. This is how we consistently make profits. That's the secret of our success, that we do it again and again and again.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.